Hello everyone, we welcome you from Asia Learning Center page. So on this upcoming Friday, April 11th at 7 p.m. in Zope Christian Fellowship Church, we will be having our Asia Idol competition.
So, now that we are back on the Masori, ACRLC John David, so many people idol can go Zope Church Mountain.
And now, it's no longer just the audition phase anymore. After 2 weeks of incredible performances and fierce battles, our judges have narrowed it down to the top 5 finalists who will be competing in the final.
Senior top 5 ကျောင်းသားတွေနဲ့ Junior top 5 ကျောင်းသားကျောင်းသူတွေရဲ့အကျင့်နဲ့ရှင်တဲ့မှုကိုတရှိခံစားနိုင်မှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်
And so, we do not want you to miss out on this exciting event. That's why we are selling the tickets now only just for RM10. And all these proceeds will go toward the students' activities and their future event. So make sure to grab yours before they sell out. And you can get these tickets from any of our ACR teachers.
ဟုတ်ပါတယ်ဒီတက်ပွဲရဆိုရင်အစိုးရဝိတက်တက်မှုတွေနဲ့ ACR ကျောင်းသူကျောင်းသားတွေရဲ့ information ထပ်ပြီးဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်မို့လို့ဝေချာတင်အကူပြုလို့ရပါတယ်ပြီးတော့တိကျလေးတွေရရှိစေလို့ဆိုရင် ACR.CSR.CR ပြီးတော့ရှိမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်
Then there's going to be a People Choice Award, which can only be voted if you attend live. So make sure you come live to support our students.
အဲ့ဒါကျေးဇူးမှုပြုအောင်နော်အခုဒီတံပွဲမှာဆိုရင်ပြည်သက်တွေရဲ့လက်ကျန်အစီအစဉ်ကိုရှင် Bonfire Figure Law
Don't worry, one of our teachers will be showing the way right now.
Hello everyone. Everyone must be familiar with this place. This is Udu Plaza and the place will be held just right over there. Come follow me.